Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
In a meadow where the wildflowers sway, 5 ducks waddled all on a bright summer's day. With feathers of gold and a quack full of cheer, they splashed in the pond, their laughter sincere. But lurking nearby, with grace and with speed, a cheetah watched closely, his heart was intrigued. He'd sprinted from shadows, from tall grasses deep, for he longed for a friendship, his heart could not sleep. "Why are you alone?" asked the first little duck, as they paddled in circles, a cheerful good luck. The cheetah reproached them, his stride was so sleek, yet there shone in his eyes an unspoken mystique. "I'm fast," he replied, with a flick of his tail, "but I've no one to run with along nature's trail." The ducks quacked in chorus, they nodded their heads. "Join us for fun, come play instead." So they trotted through meadows where daisies bloomed wide, and the cheetah ran circles while they danced beside. With each joyful quack and each powerful dash, an unlikely bond grew, it sparked like a flash. Together they played until twilight drew near. The stars whispered secrets that only friends hear. The cheetah shared stories of mountains and streams, while ducks told him tales spun from sweet sunny dreams. But as night fell upon them like velvet so fine, a question arose, a truth drawn by time. "How can we remain?" asked the fifth little duck, "for you're swift as the wind while we waddle and cluck." So under the moonlight where magic is spun, 5 ducks and 1 cheetah found joy in their run. For though worlds may differ and paths may divide, true friendships can flourish if hearts are open wide. In fields filled with laughter where memories gleam, 5 ducks with the cheetah became more than a dream. And whenever you wander beneath sky so vast, remember this tale of how love holds steadfast.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.